We went around through the whole state to meet with the different educators who were going to pilot the IP program. We asked all of them to take a survey to start with, and none of them felt that they knew very much about IP. It's been a really positive experience for the teachers. It's been a positive experience for the students, and they have really felt that it changed the way the kids invent. We want them to feel that it is something that is enjoyable to learn about, because only through that passion and joy are you going to be able to get other people to appreciate it too.
The more education that students can have about what intellectual property is, how they can protect their own creativity, and how they can respect the creativity of others and why that's important, I just think that it's an invaluable tool. It makes me hopeful for this generation of kids and all of the things they're going to be able to accomplish.
I think that some students didn't really understand that there were people out there that cared about their ideas. Students oftentimes think adults aren't really giving their ideas the kind of seriousness. Once they saw examples of students their age, kids their age, developing these ideas, getting patents, they understood that people would take them seriously. It allowed them to explore the depths of their creativity while also understand that ideas have value